What if I told you that you can get a smartphone with a 50MP camera, a 90Hz AMOLED display, and a 5000 mAh battery for less than $200? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what the Tecno Spark 20 promises to offer. But is it really worth your money? Or is it just another cheap phone with a lot of hype? Let's find out in this honest review of the Tecno Spark 20. Hey guys, welcome to the Tech Critic, where I try to give you the most honest and unbiased reviews of the latest gadgets and tech products. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Today, I'm going to review the Tecno Spark 20, a budget smartphone that has some premium features. I'm going to show you its design, display, performance, camera, and battery, and tell you if it's worth buying or not. The Tecno Spark 20 has a sleek and curved design with a glass back and a glossy camera module. The phone comes in different colors, and I have the Temple Orbit green variant, which looks very nice. The phone also has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, a headphone jack, and a USB Type-C port. The phone also has IP53 water resistance and a protective case included in the box. The design and build quality of the Tecno Spark 20 are impressive, and it feels like a premium phone. The Tecno Spark 20 has a 6.6-inch AMOLED display with a QHD+ resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. The display is sharp, vibrant, and smooth, and it's great for watching videos, playing games, and browsing the web. The display also has a punch hole notch, which houses the 32MP selfie camera. The display also has some software features, like the dynamic island, the dark mode, and the always-on display. The brightness of the display is good for indoor use, but not very good for outdoor use. The viewing angles are also decent, but not the best. The display of the Tecno Spark 20 is one of the best features of the phone, and it's one of the best displays I've seen on a budget phone. The Tecno Spark 20 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 processor, which is an octa-core chip with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, which can be expanded up to 1TB with a micro SD card. The phone runs on Android 13 with Tecno's custom skin called HiOS 13 on top. The software is smooth and responsive, and it has some useful features like the smart panel, the game mode, and the phone master. The phone can handle most of the daily tasks like browsing the web, watching videos, and using social media apps. The phone can also handle some light gaming, but not heavy gaming. The phone also tends to heat up a bit after prolonged gaming, which can affect the performance and the battery life. The performance of the Tecno Spark 20 is decent, but not outstanding. It can handle most of the daily tasks, but it's not meant for heavy gaming or multitasking. The Tecno Spark 20 has a 50MP main camera and an auxiliary lens, which is used for depth sensing and macro photography. The main camera can take some good photos in daylight, with good details, colors, and dynamic range. The camera also has some modes like the HDR, the AI, the Beauty, and the Bokeh, which can enhance the photos. The camera also has a night mode, which can improve the low-light photos, but not very much. The low-light photos are noisy, blurry, and washed out, and the night mode takes some time to process the photos. The auxiliary lens is not very useful, and it takes poor quality close-up shots. The selfie camera is a 32MP sensor, which can take some decent selfies with good skin tones and details. The selfie camera also has some modes like the Beauty, the Portrait, and the AR, which can add some effects and stickers to your selfies. The video recording of the phone is not very good either. The phone can record videos up to 1440p resolution at 30fps, but the quality is not very good. The videos are shaky, jittery, and have poor audio quality. The camera app is easy to use, and it has a simple and intuitive interface. The camera of the Tecno Spark 20 is decent, but not great. It can take some good photos in daylight, but it struggles in low light and video recording. It's not a bad camera, but it's not a 50MP camera either. The battery of the Tecno Spark 20 is excellent, and it's one of the best features of the phone. The phone has a 5000 mAh battery, which can last for a day or more, depending on your usage. The phone also supports 18-watt fast charging, which can charge the phone from 0 to 50% in about 40 minutes, and from 0 to 100% in about 90 minutes. The phone also has some battery-saving features, like the power-saving mode and the ultra-power-saving mode. The phone also has a reverse charging feature, which can charge other devices using a USB OTG cable. The battery of the Tecno Spark 20 is excellent, and it can easily last you for a long time, even with heavy usage. So, is the Tecno Spark 20 worth buying? Well, it depends on what you're looking for. The Tecno Spark 20 is a budget smartphone that offers some premium features, like a 50MP camera, a 90Hz AMOLED display, and a 5000 mAh battery. It also has a good design and build quality, a decent performance, and a smooth software. However, it also has some drawbacks, like a HD+ resolution, a mediocre video recording, and a limited gaming performance. The Tecno Spark 20 is not a bad phone, but it's not a perfect phone either. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this honest review of the Tecno Spark 20. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of the Tecno Spark 20. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, the Tech Critic, for more latest phone release updates and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.